Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great wonderful day. Alright, I'm back with you guys. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And for those of you that's already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, guys. Alright? Alright, guys, if you've landed here, you're probably online right now searching for where to make money online. That's how you ended up on my page. I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I actually promote other people's products, okay? Mostly digital products, okay? Member-to-member programs, direct sales programs. These programs are typically the ones that you can access from anywhere, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection with your smartphone or your tablet, okay? And most of the time, the programs that I'm promoting are, there's some type of training that you're purchasing, training courses, how-to courses, okay, that can show you how to make money online from home, all right? So with that being said, I've got two programs that I've been a part of, and I just want to show you guys how you can make $300 commissions, okay? We hear a lot of times about the $100 commission programs, the $250, the $500 programs, the $1,000 commissions, right? But how often do we hear about making $300 commissions, instant commissions, okay? So I have two programs I've been a part of for a while, and I just want to highlight them because, like I said, you don't hear that often about $300 commission. All right, and one of them I'm on right now is Instant Cash Solution. You've seen me talk about for a while. I joined them last year as an affiliate, and they have a level that's $300, guys. Okay, so with this program, Instant Cash Solution is a course, a classified ad course to teach you how to place ads on classified websites, and it comes with all the pre-written ads. You get 50 image ads, you have some Facebook image ads, you have all the training, you have the places that you can post ads. Everything is included in Instant Cash Solution, not to mention there is a weekly training, okay? That's very key. The owner himself actually do training every Tuesday, okay? And it's recorded and it's placed in your back office, okay? So you have everything under one roof right here with Instant Cash Solution, okay? So let me show you. They have more than one level, but I just want to highlight the $300 level. So this is the website you're going to get. Okay. This little video right here will do the selling and telling for you. Not to mention the website explains everything here. Okay. And this system is perfect for people, as it states right here, basically anybody. Okay. So, very simple, easy program. I've made thousands with this program, okay? And it is still working today, okay? So it's called the gold level right here, guys. $300. With the gold level, you're going to get the silver and bronze level. And again, this is training, classified ads, training. All the pre-written ad copy is included, okay? So by you joining at 300 level, you're also qualified to receive the $200 commissions and the $100 commissions. They do have a $500 level as well. But $300, guys, you can make $300 instant commissions, okay? And you can receive that any way you want. You can use PayPal, not PayPal, I'm sorry, Cash App. I wouldn't recommend PayPal. Cash App, any of those apps, guys, okay? Chime, Electron, you can do Stripe, merchant accounts, any of those, or cash, whatever way you decide. You just put it in your profile in your back office, okay? So, $300 you can make instantly with this one. So, how much is it going to cost? $329. It's $29 for each level, the admin fee. The $500 level is $79 one time, but it'll be $329 for you to get started. Okay, and qualify for bronze and silver. That's 3 levels of income that you're going to make, guys. Okay, all right. So you get everything you need in here. You're able to resell this whole program over and over and over. Okay, so I'm going to go to the back office a little bit and show you some things. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm in the members area, as you can see. right here, training tools, resources, everything you need is right here, guys. Okay. Marketing, all the image ads are back here. All you're going to do is copy and paste these image ads where we tell you to. And I have some additional places that I've acquired in the last few months, so I'll be happy to share that with you as well. But you've got everything you need back here in this back office, guys. Not to mention the support. Okay, when you email Instacart, Instacash Solution, the owner is going to respond to you, so he's very responsive as well. Okay, so right here you click start right here to get started. Okay, we have many capture pages back here for you to select from. You also can email your leads. It comes with an autoresponder to follow up with your leads on your behalf. As you can see, 1, 2, let's see. Looks like we've got 5 capture pages. No, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 capture pages now with this. Okay, so pick one of these capture pages. You can send traffic to them, postcards. You can do text blasts, guys. There's a lot of ways you can do this business, but you can copy the ads. That's real simple. Everybody can copy and paste. So that's included in this training back here. Okay, so let me see if I can get over there. Hang on a second. Okay, right here, ICS display ads. Okay, we've got 50 of those in here, guys. All you're going to do is copy these where we tell you to place those. You can go to Craigslist. There's many places to go with these ads, and you can cross reference these as well. Cross market these. I'm sorry. You can use these ads to market any of your business opportunities. If you have another business opportunity, you buy this course. Okay, use these ads because they're generic, and you can promote your primary business with these. So use this as a tool, as a training guide. Okay, to help you promote your primary business. Okay, so perfect opportunity. We have banners back here too, so wherever there's classified ads that allow you to place banners, we have 12 banners, okay, in here. Check it out. Okay, so we have the banners. Everything is included in here. For the price point, you cannot beat it. So like I said, $329. Okay, for the $300 level to get started. Okay, and that gives you 3 levels of income: $100, $200, and $300 commissions that you can make. Okay, so it's a great way to start. So $300 commission. So let me show you the other one. It's one of my offline opportunities, and you can make $300 offline. Hang on. Okay, black level, 6-figure stamp club, guys. You see me talk about that quite a bit. 6-figure stamp club has a level, the black level. Okay, you can receive $300 commissions. Okay, you can mail letters, you can mail postcards. You can even do this online now because they have a website with capture pages. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, we have, whoa, hang on one second, wait a minute. Hang on one second. Where did it go? Oh, Jesus. Okay, so we actually have, guys, 1, 2, 3, we have 3 capture pages, okay, that you can use to promote this business, okay? So let me show you one of the pages. This is one of my favorites. I like this one. So black level, while I'm waiting for that to load up, the black level, you can come in with 6-figure stamp club, and you'll make $300 commission, and that's going to be mailed to you, okay, by the person that signs up with you, okay. Okay, so here's one of the pages, guys. Nice pages that they have. So you can use these pages. Okay, you mail out your postcards, you mail out your letters, or you can run traffic to this page. Okay, so you go here, you click here, it's asking for the name and the email. So you can do that, and you can track all your leads in your back office as well. Okay, so another way to make $300 commissions this one will be in the mail. Okay, and I'm going to show you what comes with this one. Hang on. Okay, for the video's sake, I pulled up one of the old letters, but I want to show you what's included. So if you join at the black level, guys, okay, you're able to receive $300 commissions. Okay, and let's show you here. Okay, so you'll be making $300 every time someone else joins you at that black level. Now, Six Figure Stamp Club is a leads company. They sell high quality leads, okay, and everybody needs leads. So that's what our product is, leads. So by you joining, being a member of the club, first of all, it allows you to make income, and every time somebody buys the lead packages, you in turn make commission and you receive stamps. Okay, so when someone joins you, they have to send you your commission and they have to mail you stamps. For an example, the $300 black level, okay, you're going to make $300. The person has to send you 3 books of stamps. Then they're going to send your sponsor $100. They're going to send your sponsor 3 books of stamps, okay, and they're going to send the company $40, okay. So you have to make a copy of the letter. You have to go to the link below that I'm going to have in the description. Go ahead and create your account. Mail in your money. So it'll be $300 to me, $100 to my sponsor. Send me 3 books of stamps and my sponsor 3 books of stamps. And that's 20 stamps in each book, okay? Make sure it's 20 stamps in each book. And then you mail the company $40, okay? That's the admin fee, okay? So you're going to make 3 copies of the letter at that link below, okay? So that black level, and you qualify, guys, for the blue level, and you qualify for the red level. So again, that's 3 levels, and there's 2 tiers to each level. Okay, so it's unlimited income potential with this, and this is an offline business, but you can promote it online because we have a website now. Okay, so you can mail letters and postcards, and you can order postcards in your back office with Six Figure Stamp Club now. Okay, they have postcards that you can order straight from the back office. Okay, and they're going to give you leads when you sign up. Okay, so you're going to get leads, and I'm going to match them. They're going to give you 300 leads. Okay, like it says right here, they're going to give you 300. They're going to mail you 300 leads on pill and stick labels, and anybody that joins me at that black level, I'm going to match that. So I'm going to give you 300 leads. Okay, so I just gave you 2 programs, guys, that you can get started with. Offline marketing and online marketing. We have instant pay, and then we have your commissions that will be mailed to you with Six Figure Stamp Club by priority mail. You want to mail this priority so that you can track it, okay, in case it gets lost in the mail for whatever reason. But if you do priority mail, we can track that, okay. You're going to get 3 tracking numbers, all right. So that's how that works, guys. Okay, so now you have 2 ways you can make $300 commissions, okay? So one will be priority mail, which is 2-day delivery, and then instant cash solution is instant pay, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for both of these. Go ahead and get started. Pick which one you want to get started with, and remember, I'm going to give you leads, and the company's going to give you leads with Six Figure Stamp Club. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do that. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. And reach out to me after you've checked it out. Jot down your questions. Give me a call. I'll be happy to answer those questions. I do work from home full time, so I'm really readily available to work with my team. I'm accessible. I respond to my team. Everybody will tell you that. Whether it's email, text, if you call, I pick up the phone. If not, I call you right back, okay? So, I'm here for you guys if you're willing to put in the work, all right? Till next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.